Do you ever have moments that you know God is real and you want to feel close to Him, but something feels off? You read your Bible, you pray, you experience Him in worship sometimes, but when you're alone, it's like you can't find Him. If you've ever whispered, "Where are you, God?" then this video is for you. There was a season when I was ministering to others, leading, praying, guiding, loving on others. And yet, when it was just me and God, I could not feel His love. The silence felt louder than my prayers, and I thought I had done something wrong. I started asking myself, why can I help others feel loved by God, but I can't feel it for myself? I believed lies that created distance. I believed God was disappointed in me, that I wasn't spiritual enough, that I had failed too many times, or there was some sin that I had not thought of that needed to be repented of. And worst of all, that maybe He was like my earthly father, with those negative qualities that I saw growing up as a child. But God hadn't gone anywhere. The truth was, I had pulled back, not out of rebellion, but out of fear, shame, disappointment. I didn't trust that He delighted in me. I didn't believe that I was worthy to be pursued. And yet, He kept pursuing me through conversations, through worship songs, and through people who carried His heart. He allowed me to see what deeper intimacy looked like in others, so I would desire it for myself. That's what holy jealousy is. He stirs your longing, not to punish you, but to draw you near. If you've felt spiritually disconnected, like you're going through the motions, but missing the closeness, I created a 5-day devotional just for you, just for us. Experiencing the Father's love is designed to help you find the walls that have been built by lies and to begin to encounter God for who He truly is. The link to download is below, and it's totally free. And while you're at it, if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe and come back to see the next part of this series. You're not too far gone. You're not being punished. And you're not too broken to belong. God isn't playing hide and seek with you. He's standing right where you left Him. Arms open, voice soft, and His love is unwavering. Let Him love you, sister. Not the version of you that performs or that feels like she needs to be perfect. Just you. You are so deeply loved.